To some job board, but then all you can do is hope the right person comes along, which is why you should try ZipRecruiter.
Come back.
Malapit na guys. Tapos susunod na naman pag naglagas na naman ng sobrang dami na naman ng dahon yun.
Hold, please.
Salmon.
Solomon.
And I left over, I put it in the rice.
What is the name of this recipe?
Avocado? Oh, what?
The name of this recipe.
Salmon bowl.
Salmon bowl. Salmon. Oh, what is this? A hot sauce?
This is a teriyaki
Oh,
sauce.
teriyaki.
Not hot. Well,
Bones out of some of them then, or did you?
well, there might be bones. I pulled a few bones out, but
Well, if you take that tail section, there won't be any bones in that.
oh, I put your. Were you looking for your chopsticks?
Where is mine? Here.
Oh, he said to take that one. It wouldn't
This
have
one?
any bones in it.
Yeah, take that one. That one will be.
Were you looking for your chopsticks?
No.
Oh, I thought you were looking at it.
chopsticks?
Oh, I forgot the rice.
You forgot the rice.
Rice is like.
What's a dirt pie ingredient?
Oreo?
Oh, sure. I forgot what dirt pie was.
Rice.
I like it.
What the music?
I don't know. I better make it happen again. Very quiet and me too.
Yeah, you're crunching away. Okay,
You're next.
I'm next. Dish up.
Granola oatmeal. So we will be writing a thank you letter guys for some of our friends. We will mail it to them. Where are the other envelopes?
Jeff. Okay, cool. Should I just go put it down and like, should we just go give it to Mike and Marianne? Or should we just mail it to him?
Marianne.
Marianne.
Not Marianne. I don't know.
Okay. Well, I got to.
This is who are you done with already? Tom. Thank you.
Well, that doesn't matter. I mean, they're all
Because
the same.
sometimes I made some mistakes with my wife. This one. Five. Two more. We're making letters. Lunchtime. Ginataang kalabasa with sausage and pork.
To prove my worth. Okay? Harap lang.
So guys, pang second day na namin ito na pagtatanggal ng mga dry leaves. Kasi fall season na dito, so yung mga trees ngayon ay nagsisipaglagasan kasi magwi-winter na. Ang laki-laki kasi guys ng ng area ng lugar nila dito. Ng parents nila ni Aaron. So yung daddy lang niya yung gumagawa at naawa din ako at matanda na rin, so tumulong ako sa kanya guys. Tinutulungan ko siya mag-rake ng mga damo, ng mga dry leaves at acorn, kasi ang daming dito guys, yung acorn, yung parang mga buto-buto, so kailangan siya tanggalin para tumubo ng maayos yung yung mga grass. Ang lawak kasi guys ng area nila Yan, natapos ko yan guys ngayon, at doon naman sa kabila kahapon yun. Ang lawak kasi. So, paunti-unti lang naman guys. At hindi naman nila ako pinipressure kung gagawin ko hindi. So, ayan guys, pahinga muna ang enday nyo. Pagod din. Okay lang guys na mag-trabaho dito sa labas kasi kahit maaraw siya, ang lamig ng ng hangin, malamig yung klima, kaya parang hindi ka pa rin papawisan ng bonggang-bongga. Gusto ko nga magpapawis kaso malamig naman dito sa labas. Kaya parang konti lang yung pawis na lalabas sa iyo. Pero malapit na ako matapos. Busy na naman ako kakahakot ng Yung iba guys, binoblower to ng biyanan ko na lalaki. Kaso hindi kaya ng blower lahat-lahat kasi sobrang lawak ng nila guys, ng area nila dito. So, ayun. Kaya tumutulong lang kasi wala din naman akong work pa, wala din akong trabaho. Kaya tumutulong na lang ako parang exercise na rin at may magawa din ako dito. Yan lang guys. Malapit na kami matapos. 2 days na pagtatrabaho. So, nung nakaraang araw guys, ay pinakita ko sa inyo yung paglilinis namin ng drawer. Ngayon naman ay nagpipintura na kami. Naglalagay pa lang kami ng primer. Nag-enjoy ako dito guys kasi feeling ko parang naglalaro lang ako. Bali, 2 kami dito ng biyanan ko naglalagay ng primer. Bali, sa kanya ay roller yung kanyang ginagamit, sa akin naman ay yung brush. Parang siya yung first coat gamit yung roller niya, tapos ako naman yung finishing kasi hindi lahat madadaanan ng roller. At parang bonding moment na nga namin ito. Tapos habang nagtatrabaho nga kami guys, ay nagkukwentuhan kami ng mga buhay-buhay, ng mga kung ano-ano lang. So we're just putting some primer. So we're almost done guys with our primer. We are just some other cabinets, and the next, maybe tomorrow, we will put the real paint. Here.
Wait. Oh.
I'm waiting.
We never had that chicken salad.